Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you play Stumble Guys with your friends. So at first just go to the game Stumble Guys and tell your friends to join the game. Just hold on guys. Here you can see in the right side, the right middle one, party mode. Just click on it. After clicking it, you can see the create party option the left side, and in the left bottom you can see the custom game option, the purple one. Just click on it. Now just click on the bottom right create button. Now here you can see in the bottom left the room code. You can send this room code to your friends to join the game, or you can also invite your friends to join the game. Here just click on invite. Now just hold on for your friends to join the game. After your friend has joined the game, just click on the bottom right side play button. Of course there is also other players in this game because this is a 32 players game. After all the players has joined the game, you can play this game with your friends. So guys, this is how you can play Stumble Guys with your friends. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.